I switched to Pop! OS just because it looked amazing. And I'm still here.
Hey everyone, welcome back. I've been switching Linux distributions for years, usually for practical reasons. Better hardware support, more packages, stronger performance, or clearer documentation. This time was different. I switched purely because of how something looked. I saw screenshots of Pop! OS running the COSMIC desktop with its new frosted glass effect and thought, that looks incredible. So I installed it on my gaming PC. A few weeks later, I'm still using it, and I don't regret the decision at all. Before we go further, a quick note. I love the current state of Pop! OS, but I would not recommend it as a daily driver for complete Linux beginners in 2026. The desktop is still evolving quickly. I run it on a machine where I'm comfortable dealing with the occasional rough edge in exchange for a modern, high-performance interface.
So what exactly is frosted glass? It's a translucent, blurred visual style applied across the COSMIC desktop. You get soft, glass-like surfaces on panels, applets, system menus, the launcher, settings, and many of the core applications. It's not a brand new concept. KDE Plasma has offered blur and transparency for a long time, and tiling compositors like Hyprland let you configure similar effects extensively. Windows and macOS have used comparable looks as well. What stands out with COSMIC is how thoroughly System76 has woven the effect into the desktop itself. It feels intentional rather than bolted on. The interface keeps a consistent visual language, and the glass effect adds depth without turning everything into a transparent mess.
You can turn it on during the initial setup after installing Pop! OS, or later in settings under Desktop Appearance. There are separate toggles for panels, applets, the system interface, and windows. You can also adjust the frost thickness and the glass opacity, so the look can range from subtle translucency to a stronger frosted appearance. The blurred background sits in a useful middle ground. You can still sense what's behind a panel or window, but it doesn't fight for attention with whatever you're actually working on. I expected the novelty to fade after a week or two. That's what usually happens with eye-catching themes. You install something because it looks great in screenshots, enjoy it for a few days, and then stop noticing it. This time the effect has held up better than I anticipated. Part of the reason is simple. Panels, the launcher, settings windows, and other interface elements are things you see constantly throughout the day. Small visual improvements accumulate into the overall feel of the system. What started as a purely aesthetic choice ended up mattering more in daily use than I expected.
That said, COSMIC is still a relatively young desktop environment. Not every application integrates with the same polish as the software written specifically for it. The frosted treatment is not applied uniformly across every applet or third-party app. Some older or non-native applications keep solid backgrounds. There are also occasional visual glitches and compatibility quirks that come with building a new desktop stack from the ground up. System76 continues to ship improvements through rolling updates on Pop! OS 24.04, rather than holding everything for large, traditional releases. That model means the desktop can change fairly quickly. For users who want complete predictability, that pace might feel unsettling. For me, it's part of what makes the project interesting. You can see the environment improving in real time.
Looking back, the reason I switched still sounds superficial. If someone had asked me why I was changing distributions, and I answered, because I like the frosted glass, it would have seemed ridiculous next to the usual list of practical considerations. Hardware support, package availability, stability, and performance are all more serious factors. But appearance matters too. Most of us spend hours looking at our desktops every day. When an interface feels pleasant and you actually enjoy looking at it, that has real value, even if it never shows up in a benchmark. Ironically, I thought the frosted glass effect would be the reason I eventually moved on again. Instead, it became the reason I stuck around long enough to discover a desktop environment I genuinely want to keep using. That's my experience so far. If you've tried the new COSMIC look, or if you're still on another desktop and curious about it, let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to hear what you think. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more Linux-related content. I'll see you in the next one.